Click on the link below to get price. The 66L/Day Commercial Dehumidifier is an impressive piece of machinery designed to tackle moisture in large areas effectively. With its robust capacity, this industrial-grade dehumidifier can remove up to 66 liters of moisture daily, making it a reliable choice for warehouses, basements, and construction sites. One of the standout features is the built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage. This eliminates the need to manually empty the tank, making it an excellent option for areas where consistent humidity control is crucial. The included drain hose makes setup straightforward, connecting easily to a standard outlet. This means users can set the machine and forget it, knowing it will operate efficiently without constant supervision. The 24-hour timer is another practical feature, providing flexibility in operation. Users can program the dehumidifier to run during off-peak hours, saving on energy costs while ensuring the environment remains dry. This is particularly useful in commercial settings where humidity levels fluctuate throughout the day. The unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for environments where noise could be disruptive. Even at maximum capacity, it maintains a low decibel level, allowing for a comfortable atmosphere. Additionally, the auto-restart function is a lifesaver during power outages, ensuring that the dehumidifier resumes its operation without manual intervention. Built with durable materials, the dehumidifier promises longevity and reliability. Its robust design is made for heavy-duty use, making it suitable for various applications. The user-friendly interface includes easy-to-read indicators and controls, making it accessible even for those who are not technically inclined. In conclusion, the 66L/Day Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerful and efficient solution for industrial humidity control. Its combination of a high moisture extraction rate, automatic features, and durable construction makes it a worthy investment for anyone looking to maintain a dry, safe, and comfortable environment. For businesses dealing with excess moisture, this dehumidifier is a must-have.